Hi guys, this is the final assembly of our mic. Open new part, new. Okay, not not part. Open new assembly. Okay, over here browse, select, no, hold control key, select all of these four parts. Okay, just drop them down like I am. Just practice outside. Make the background plain white. Now let's assemble them. First make this one float and this fix. This float and this float. Only this fix. Okay. Now select move component over here. Select rotate component. Over here rotate it like this so that it is easier to assemble it. Okay, select, just move it over here. Now go to mate. Select this outer face and this inner face. Concentric relation. Okay, now select this face and this face. Okay, now it is has. Now select this and this. Coincident. Okay, now it would just be like this. It would not go to, it will not go to the side. See, it will only move back and forth and down and up, but not at side. See, now select this and this face. Okay, now it will move like this. Select this and, or just undo this one, just cross this, undo one more time. Oh, now just go to mate, select this and this and this. Concentric. Okay, this and this. Okay, this and this. Coincident. Okay, this and this. Coincident. Okay, okay. Now you have made this volume up down. Now again go to mate, select this, delete this, select this inner face, concentric. Okay, now select this face and this face, coincident. Okay, cross. Now just select volume controller, a volume controller, appearance, over here up, add a color white. Now we have assembled the final mic. So thanks for watching this video. Bye. If you have, see you in the next video. Bye.